this, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm just trying to get this water adjusted to the right temperature so I don't burn my feet or anything. I'm just trying to get this water working so I can walk on this water and ride these waves. Pistolgrip and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water just got down. Yeah, come again, walking on that water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Here I come again, walking on that water. Trinitron9, break, break, break. Yeah, come watchmaker. Hey watchmaker, I'm just trying to get the temperature right so I can walk on the water comfortably. Hey watchmaker, I'm just trying to get the water temperature right. I need the water temperature to be just right so I can ride these waves and walk on the water without incident. Hey watchmaker, good afternoon, good morning, whatever the case may be. Watchmaker, the man walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Trinitron9, your small hammer right back.
Small hammer's working. Your small hammer's working in the deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, your small hammer's working in these deep waters of Coney Island. You all by yourself, man. You're doing what you got to do in these deep waters. Hey, watchmaker, here I come again. Break, break, break. Flathead, I'm waving it right back. Hey, watchmaker, flathead's waving a hand to you. Hey, watchmaker, that flathead out there is waving a hand to you. I poured some of that Coney Island water on his head there, so he's feeling real good. Take care, flathead. Take care, watchmaker. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
Trinitron9, keeping the 4-1 alive. Your watchmaker right back.
Right back, watchmaker. You waving a hand right back to the flathead. Hey, watchmaker, you waving a hand right back to flathead. I got some of that Coney Island water on his flathead there. I put that water on his head about 10 minutes ago. So flathead's feeling real good. Take care, flathead. Take care, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water, riding the waves. The man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down. Roger D, that flathead. Roger D, that flathead. Hey, watchmaker, flathead said he could hear you. Hey, watchmaker, flathead said he heard you. Let me get out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island, but you know I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I'm bumping and grinding right now, but let me get out of the middle of the deep waters and take a pause for the cause. But just remember, I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Don't believe what you hear, don't believe what you heard. I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down. And I heard you, Superfly, here I come. Hey, Superfly, I hear you calling my name, here I come. Hey, Superfly, I ain't afraid of no ghosts, and I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Hey, Superfly, don't worry about what you heard and what you hear. I don't believe anything's wrong with a little bump and grinding, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Take care, Superfly, Trinitron9, get down. Alright, Superfly, take care. Hey, Superfly, take care. Appreciate it. Superfly, flathead, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. And I don't believe nothing's wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't believe nothing's wrong. I don't believe nothing's wrong with a little bumping and grinding, because I'm on my grind right now. I'm bumping and grinding right now, man. I'm trying to put it where everybody can get it. So you know I don't believe there's anything wrong with a little bumping and grinding. Y'all take it easy, take care. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, got down.
CH28 owns that's his bucking territory. Alright, Redhook, should we take you taking the time out of your day to bump it down with old Super Fly? Really appreciate you taking the time out here to down with me.
Let me just see if I can stand straight and tall. Let me just see if I can stand straight and tall in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. The water temperature's good. I didn't get burned. My feet's comfortable. Everything's looking good. It's a little overcast out here, but it's still a good day to walk in the water. Let me see if I can do a little walking right now. Let me see if I can do a little walking right now. The man walking on the water, riding the waves, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down. Did I hear 007? Did I hear 007? I don't do no ghost talking out here. I heard you call me, but I don't know if I get your numbers right. Did I hear 007? Trinitron9, bumping and grinding. Break, break, break. Take care in Alabama. It's rough and tough out there. It's a whole lot of Haitian trash out there, but I appreciate the wave. You know I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Take care, Alabama, and all the good time gang. I'm just having fun in the water. I'm having fun in this water, no doubt about it. It's a good day to walk on the water. It might be cloudy, it might be a little hazy or whatever. But I'm making the best of this water out here in Coney Ellen. Y'all take it easy, take care. Trinitron9 said, I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Bye, bye, bye. You take care while you reading the mail. You take care. You sounding good in the deep waters of Coney Ellen, man. While you reading the mail, take it easy, take care. I'm just playing in the water. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just having fun in the water. Don't mind me. It's alright. I'm just walking on this water, riding these waves of the Coney Ellen. Trinitron9 just got down. Take care, my friend. I heard somebody else say Trinitron9 break. It's rough out here, man. I got the video gate rolling, so y'all will see what I'm dealing with on this side of town. I got the video gate rolling right now, so y'all are seeing here all the hash and trash I got to deal with out here. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll take it to the water. I'll put it in the water. I'm taking it to the water. You know how people say they taking it to the street? I'm taking it to the water. I'm taking it to the water. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the morning wave and the afternoon wave, whatever the case may be. Break, break, break. Man, I just had to bump it down and stand straight and tall in this water. Y'all heterodyning. I just had to bump it down and stand straight and tall, because there's a whole lot of heterodyning out here, man. Somebody got to step up to the plate and put it where I can hear it and where I can understand it and where I can respond to it. Because y'all jumping up and down like James Brown, and you know I'm going to moonwalk on the water. I moonwalk on the water and I walk on the water. I do it all. I do it all. This is a water show. I take my water show on the road. I take this water show on the road. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Ellen. Just got down. Hey 007, you waved in fine style. I know I got the numbers right now. Hey 007, you waved in fine style that time around, and I got your numbers right. I connected the number with the name, and I'm in good shape now. Hey 007, I'm just walking on the water, riding the waves, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Break, break, break. He said he's trying to get on my back. Take it easy, 007. Hey, watchmaker, I heard you in there. He said somebody's trying to get on my back there. Well, I got water all over me there, so they ain't gonna be able to stick on my back too long. I got all this Coney Island water running off me right now. Hey, watchmaker, I got all this water running off me, so they ain't gonna be able to hold on my back too long there. Take care, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water, riding the wave. The man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghost. Just got down. Bye, 007, while you reading the mail. Bye, 007, while you reading that mail. You reading the mail, and I'm walking on this water. So we both doing something. You reading the mail, and I'm walking on the water. Take care, 007, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. You know who it is. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. '73s, have a good day. I will catch you later. '73s, have a good day, and I will catch you later. Just look for the man walking on the water. That's all you got to do. Just look for the man walking on the water. We'll do it again the next time around. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye. And that's a 007 Roger, 007 Roger, 007 Roger. Trinitron9 Coney Island, back in the quiet side.
Damn, forward, JJ. Guess what, man? You're doing it. I'm
Check, check, check. Hey, 007, I'm just sticking and moving. I'm sticking and moving. I'm sticking and moving out here in Coney Island, and I'm putting water on everybody. I'm throwing water in their eyes. I'm throwing water in their nose. I'm just doing everything I can do so I can get to the other side. Got my eyes on the prize. I got my mind made up. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. My goodness gracious, what in the world is going on? Hey, Pistolgrip, you did it again, man. Hey, Pistolgrip, you did it again, man. You gave me some knowledge. Hey, Pistolgrip, you gave me some knowledge to help me help myself. Hey, Pistolgrip, they said if you teach a man how to fish, he could fish forever, but if you just throw the fish at him, he might starve. Hey, Pistolgrip, you did it again. You gave me some of that knowledge of yours to help me help myself. Hey, Pistolgrip, thanks for helping a brother out. You helped a brother out. Hey, Pistolgrip, the man walking on the water, riding the wave, just got down.
Here I go again. I got myself in trouble. What did I miss?
Pistolgrip helped the brother out. Pistolgrip helped the brother out. Get the squeal out of there. Pistolgrip helped the brother out, no doubt about it there. It's all good. The Most High will bless you for that. The Most High will bless you, no doubt about it. So I ain't worrying about it. It's all good. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Watchmakers jumping up and down on that dipole. I hear Brother Redhook out there also. Hey, everybody's enjoying their radio. Everybody's having fun, and I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I'm going to pull this thing out of the middle of the deep waters momentarily. I'm going to pull this thing out of the middle of the deep waters momentarily. Trinitron9 Coney Island, just walking on the water, riding the wave, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Anybody waiting on that Pistolgrip video game number 2? I'm going to release it in about 2 minutes. Anybody waiting on the Pistolgrip? Super
something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. So don't believe what you hear, don't believe what you heard. I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. I still walk on the water and ride these waves. It's a dirty job, but somebody gotta do it. Trinitron9 in these deep, deep waters of Coney Island. Putting water on everybody. I'm putting water on everybody. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
Alright, Pistolgrip video gate number 2 has just been released. Oh yeah, we might take him out. Don't.
Redhook, you said you taking them out.
Slow down, guys. Can't everybody talk at the same time. Hey, 646 down, almost trying to step on me.
That's pistol everybody said that way.
127 New York video gate number 3 back quiet. I appreciate it.
That's Redhook.
Quiet. Well, it's working now. Well, I keep getting that New York station in there. What happened in New York? Kiwi, come again. Yeah, I hear you say everybody's hard. I'm down on the flat side and some of you.
Let me get out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. Let me get out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'll be back. It was fun. I ain't going nowhere, but I'll be back. But let me get out of the middle of these deep waters for a few minutes. Dry my feet off for a few minutes. No doubt about it. The man walking on the water, riding the waves. The man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghost. Just got down.